So, but sad to note that the construction work and the execution part is not in the hands of the government, sir. So this education department initially had started to take up two projects on its own with its own engineering cell that they have. I felt that rather than giving this work to outside, this work should have been done within the state, sir. It should have been given to the PWD buildings, or it should have been given to the MGCC. Now we see companies from outside like WAPCOs being given 13 projects. Now we see Manipur Industrial Development Corporation Limited being given 25 projects, sir. So, may we know from the Honorable Minister, sir, how does the Education Department propose to go ahead with the construction works with WAPCOs and the Manipur Industrial Development Corporation, depriving the rights or maybe depriving the chances for our local contractors? We have very good builders in the state. Maybe they could have done a better job, sir. So may we know clearly from the Minister, how do they propose to go ahead with this project, sir?
Mr. Speaker, sir, this project has been sanctioned by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, and the Ministry of Tribal Affairs have entrusted to the National Education Society for Tribal Students, NEST, to implement this project. And the NEST have called EOI for the agency to implement this project. But, sir, the EOI, which was called, in fact, the Education Department, the Planning Department have written to MECL, MGCC, MIDC, and PWD building to participate in this EOI. But that period is in the midst of pandemic. And it seems because our COVID monitoring system is very stringent here. And that time, the work we could not, this department, the corporation or PSU in our state could not participate. And the other agency from outside they participate. So that's why the NEST allotted those work to them. After that, then our Honorable Chief Minister has taken himself and has written the letter explaining all the reason which this or local PSU or government agency which could not take. So to kindly consider this project to be given to the state agency or government. But till date, the reply have not been given, sir.